Welcome back to my channel. And oh, also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which is, you know, just, you know, the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm taking this Elmer's glue stick and I'm just putting that on my eyebrows, and then I'm taking a little spoolie brush and then just brushing up, just trying to make my brows as flat as can be. And then I actually apply a couple layers of this and just keep repeating. And then I'm going to be going over it with the It Cosmetics translucent powder, and this is to kind of like help set it and make it stay in place. I'm not the best at this eyebrow thing, so I did what I could. And then after letting it sit for a bit, I'm just going to brush off the excess powder. And then I'm going in with the NYX HD concealers. I'm going to use the nude beige to cover up my brows and my blemishes, and then fair to highlight underneath my eyes. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige, and I'm just blending that out. And I did apply a little bit more on my brows just to help cover them up a little bit more. And then next I'm taking this Marc Jacobs like pencil retractable liner, and then I'm just drawing the eyebrows. They're not completely perfect and symmetrical, but I did the best that I could. And then I'm actually using that to kind of use my waterline. Then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm taking the shade Riff, and I'm just kind of putting that all over my eyelid and a little bit underneath my eye as well. I'm taking the shade Good as Lawn, and I'm just kind of like outlining the Riff shade that we just put on there and just kind of give it more dimension, I guess. Then I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner and doing a wing liner. I was looking at pictures, and I guess Jafar has winged liner. I mean, I won't say liner, but his eyes are kind of winged shaped. Then I'm going in with the NYC bronzer and just bronzing up everything. And then I'm actually kind of using it to contour like around my mouth and then over the eyebrows to kind of make it look like I'm an old evil man. And then I'm going back with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and then I'm just kind of drawing out the mustache, beard, goatee thing, starting out with drawing lines down the nostrils and then connecting them around the mouth, and then finishing out with like a little triangle and then a squiggly on the chin. And I'm actually going to put on some lipstick. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm just kind of using the like neutral nude brown-ish color. I don't know. I pointed out here. Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check down my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a Sand Cloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!